The automotive industry is undergoing a transformation. With the increasing demand for sustainability and cutting-edge technology, luxury electric cars have emerged as the ultimate solution for eco-conscious consumers who don't want to compromise on performance, comfort, or style. These vehicles combine the prestige of luxury brands with the innovation of electric powertrains, offering a driving experience like no other. In this video, we will explore the rise of luxury electric cars, the brands leading this change, and how these vehicles are changing the future of the automotive world. Luxury electric cars stand out for several key reasons that set them apart from regular electric or gasoline-powered cars. They combine superior performance, cutting-edge technology, eco-friendly design, and exquisite comfort. They offer instant torque and unmatched acceleration. Electric powertrains deliver power instantaneously for impressive acceleration and smooth driving. Luxury EVs are packed with the latest tech, autonomous driving features, adaptive cruise control, and smart infotainment with seamless connectivity. These vehicles blend sustainability with high-end craftsmanship. Zero emissions and efficient electric powertrains help fight climate change. Comfort is paramount. Premium interiors, advanced sound systems, and state-of-the-art suspension deliver a smooth, relaxing ride. Luxury electric cars represent the future of driving, exceptional performance, advanced technology, and eco-conscious design. Several major automakers are leading the charge in the luxury electric vehicle market. These companies have long been known for their craftsmanship and attention to detail, and they are now applying that same level of expertise to their electric vehicles. Here are some of the top players. Tesla. Model S. The Tesla Model S is one of the first luxury electric sedans to truly capture the imagination of car enthusiasts. It offers exceptional range, stunning acceleration, and groundbreaking technology, including autopilot and full self-driving capabilities. With the Plaid version, the Model S delivers 0 to 60 mph in just 1.99 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric vehicles in the world. Lucid Air. Lucid Motors is another luxury electric car brand that is making waves in the industry. The Lucid Air is a luxury sedan that combines high-end design with cutting-edge technology. It offers a range of up to 520 miles on a single charge, along with fast charging capabilities that add up to 300 miles in just 20 minutes. The Lucid Air Dream Edition provides top-tier performance and premium interior finishes. Porsche Taycan. Known for its iconic sports cars, Porsche has taken a bold step into the electric market with the Porsche Taycan. This luxury electric sports sedan offers impressive handling, fast acceleration, and a luxurious high-tech interior. With up to 750 horsepower and a range of over 200 miles, the Taycan delivers both performance and sustainability. Audi e-tron GT. The Audi e-tron GT combines Audi's luxury design with electric power. With a range of over 250 miles and a sleek, sporty design, the e-tron GT is perfect for those who want a high-performance vehicle that doesn't compromise on style or sustainability. Luxury brands like Tesla, Lucid Motors, Porsche, and Audi are leading the charge in electric luxury cars, offering a perfect balance of performance, design, and sustainability. Luxury electric cars offer unparalleled performance in a variety of ways. Here are some of the key performance features that set these vehicles apart from regular electric or gasoline-powered cars. Electric motors provide instant torque, which translates to incredible acceleration. For example, the Tesla Model S Plaid can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 1.99 seconds, a feat that puts many supercars to shame. The lack of a traditional engine means that the power delivery is immediate, resulting in a smooth and thrilling driving experience. Many luxury electric vehicles, like the Porsche Taycan and Audi e-tron GT, feature all-wheel drive, AWD, providing enhanced traction, stability, and performance, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Most electric cars, including luxury models, come with regenerative braking systems, which convert kinetic energy back into usable energy during braking. This not only improves efficiency, but also contributes to the car's extended range. Luxury electric cars are designed to provide quick recharging times. Models like the Lucid Air can recover up to 300 miles of range in just 20 minutes at fast charging stations, making them more convenient for long road trips. Luxury electric cars provide instant torque, precise handling, and quick charging, all designed for a superior driving experience. One of the most significant reasons why luxury electric cars are gaining popularity is their commitment to sustainability. Here's how these vehicles are contributing to a greener future. Zero emissions. Traditional gasoline-powered vehicles emit carbon dioxide and other pollutants that harm the environment. In contrast, luxury electric cars produce zero emissions during operation, helping reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Energy efficiency. Electric motors are much more energy efficient than internal combustion engines. Luxury electric vehicles convert a higher percentage of the energy from their batteries into motion, meaning they use less energy per mile and offer greater fuel economy than gasoline cars. Sustainable manufacturing. Some luxury electric car manufacturers, like Tesla and Lucid Motors, are incorporating sustainable materials in their vehicles. This includes using recycled materials for car interiors and sustainable sourcing for battery components, further reducing their carbon footprint. Charging infrastructure. As demand for electric cars grows, the development of charging stations continues to expand. Luxury automakers are investing in the growth of fast-charging networks to make electric vehicles more convenient for everyday use, further promoting their eco-friendly credentials. Luxury electric cars are driving the transition to a greener future with zero emissions, energy efficiency, and sustainable manufacturing practices. The future of luxury electric cars looks incredibly bright, with advancements in both technology and sustainability. Here's what we can expect in the coming years. As battery technology improves, luxury electric cars will offer even longer ranges and faster charging. This will make them more convenient for long-distance trips, removing range anxiety and making EVs more practical than ever before. Many luxury electric car manufacturers are working towards the development of fully autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars will revolutionize the way we think about mobility, allowing passengers to relax while the car takes care of navigation. As the electric vehicle market matures, luxury car manufacturers may begin to offer more affordable electric models, making luxury EVs accessible to a broader range of consumers without compromising on performance or features. The future of luxury electric cars is closely tied to innovations in battery technology. New developments such as solid-state batteries could drastically improve energy density, leading to even longer ranges and shorter charging times. The future of luxury electric cars promises even longer range, autonomous driving capabilities, and improved battery technology, further enhancing their appeal to eco-conscious consumers. Luxury electric cars are redefining the future of automotive transportation by combining performance, sustainability, and luxury in a way that was once thought impossible. With manufacturers like Tesla, Porsche, Lucid Motors, and Audi leading the way, the future of high-end electric vehicles is bright. These cars offer cutting-edge technology, impressive acceleration, long range, and zero emissions, making them the ultimate choice for eco-conscious consumers who refuse. The rise of luxury electric cars, performance, innovation, and sustainability. The automotive industry is undergoing a transformation. With the increasing demand for sustainability and cutting-edge technology, luxury electric cars have emerged as the ultimate solution for eco-conscious consumers who don't want to compromise on performance, comfort, or style. These vehicles combine the prestige of luxury brands with the innovation of electric powertrains, offering a driving experience like no other. In this video, we will explore the rise of luxury electric cars, the brands leading this change, and how these vehicles are changing the future of the automotive world.